Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Media. You are watching Engineering Media. If you are new to my channel, kindly press the subscribe button, it will help me a lot. Okay guys, now move to the video. Today we are going to discuss about high voltage engineering. High voltage engineering, a branch of electrical engineering that encompasses the study and application of the electrical phenomena occurring in various mediums at high voltages. A tension of 250 volts or higher relative to ground is considered high. The construction of major electric power plants near fuel deposits or large rivers and the transmission of the electric power produced, for example, over wires, to industrial regions that are sometimes at a great distance from the main energy source is economically feasible. The transmission of large amounts of electric power over long distances at low voltage is virtually impossible because of power losses, hence the rated voltages of electric power networks are rising as electrification spreads. The study of high voltage engineering deals with overvoltages in electrical power systems, dielectric breakdown, generation of high voltages and high currents, measurement of high voltages and high currents, high voltage testing and insulation coordinations. Thus we are come to the end of this session. For more updates kindly subscribe my channel.